Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or off Google Voice Typing on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down and tap on the settings button. Next, tap on General Management. And then go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Then in here, go down and tap on Google Voice Typing. So tap on this switch to turn it on or off. So that if you restart your phone and have a screen lock set, this app can't start until you unlock your phone. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, in here you can also choose a default language for Google Voice Typing. And that's it. So you can, once it is switched on, you can then open up an app, and you can also use Google Voice input right here, Google Voice Typing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.